Hello everyone, in this video, I would like to show you how to fold a chair. This model requires only one square paper. Firstly, you should make sure the side of paper which have color up. Then fold in half like this. Then open the paper, then turn over it. Fold in half like this, the corner to the corner. Do it again in the opposite side. Open the paper and flap them like this. Fold the left layer to the center to make a line. Then fold the right layer to that point. Then fold that layer down, like this. Then fold the paper like this. Then open the top layer. Then flat them like this. Do the same thing in the opposite side of paper. Fold the behind layer to the center like this. Then fold that layer up. Then fold that layer in half like this. Open that layer and flat them like this. Then fold the layer in the center inside like this. Do the same thing in the opposite side of paper. Do the same thing in the opposite side of paper. Then fold a top of paper down like this. Fold 2 layers up like this. This layer will be the 4 legs of the chairs. Left, turn over the paper, then fold it in half, like this. Here is the paper chair. This model is very easy for kids. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.